place I know, where the train goes slow, where sinners can be washed in the blood of the Lamb. There's a river by the trestle, down by Sinner's Grove, down where the willow and the dogwood grows, down there by the train. You can hear the whistle, you can hear the bell, from the halls of heaven to the gates of hell. There's room for the forsaken if you're there on time. You'll be washed of all your sins and all of your crimes if you're down there by the train. Down there by the train, down there by the train, down there by the train, down there where the train goes slow. There's a golden moon that shines up through the mist. I know that your name will be on that list. All of the shameful and all of the horrors, even the soldier who pierced the heart of the Lord is down there by the train. Down there by the train, down there by the train, down there by the train, down there where the train goes slow. Well, I've never asked forgiveness and I've never said a prayer. I've never given of myself and I've never truly cared. I've hurt the ones who've loved me and I'm still raising Cain. I've taken the low road, and if you've done the same, make me down there by the train. Down there by the train, down there by the train, down there by the train, down there where the train goes slow.
You make us Q.